Yes. Greetings, people, and welcome once again to your Intercommunal Sound Service, Tunes and a Talk, and the show you gotta listen without prejudice. Today is my WOMAD weekend. Yes, so my show is a WOMAD tribute, and as such, I'll be playing some music that comes from some beautiful artists and artists who has also graced the stage of WOMAD over the many years it's been in existence. And yes, I want to say thank you to all the people who created such a beautiful festival and just keep on keeping on. So many names to mention, but you all know yourselves. And many thanks to the artists also who has contributed over the years. And for the first, we have to do it online because of all the madness that's going on. But today we're going to push away the madness and just enjoy. So this year WOMAD is online, and as of 10 a.m. Saturday, you can tune into womad.co.uk and enjoy a beautiful array of activities, events. You've got from the children workshop, you've got from the performing stage, you'll have DJs doing some beautiful DJ sets, which include myself. You've got artists just coming together and just contributing their talents, their skill to make sure you, the viewers, the listeners, have a beautiful WOMAD still nonetheless. So thanks to each and every one, and today's program is just all about a great musical vibes. So WOMAD at home, much respect, and much respect to all the people who work so hard to make sure we all have a WOMAD no matter what this year. Let's keep on keeping on and support, and next year we expect things to be back as the way they should be, with people interacting. As we go on with the music, enjoy.
Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est les jours de mariage. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est les jours de mariage. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est les jours de mariage. C'est les jours de mariage. Les dimés et les dounous résonnent partout. Les balas et les tamas résonnent partout. La Kora et le Moni sont aussi au rendez-vous. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les parents et les sympathisants sont au rendez-vous. Les copains et les voisins sont au rendez-vous. Les foulées et les Eddy sont aussi au rendez-vous. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les hommes et les femmes ont mis les beaux boubous. Les bijoux et les chaussures sont au rendez-vous. Les bazins et les bobonans sont au rendez-vous. La mariée et le marié sont aussi au rendez-vous. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les sotarama, les touris, les taxis et les voitures, les frères, les sœurs, les badauds, les griots. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. Les dimanches à Bamako, c'est le jour de mariage. C'est le jour de mariage. C'est le jour de mariage. C'est le jour de mariage.
And that was the sound of Amadou and Mariam. And this next artist I'm going to introduce, I have to say I have had many over the years. I've been affiliated with the world of music, arts and dance, WOMAD. I've had so many beautiful moments every time from day one. Just dealing with people, doing my performances, collaborating with other artists, the unexpected events that happen. It's always been beautiful. And as such, the next artist I'm going to play, I have to make an introduction before. Because if I had to choose one out of the many great moments I've experienced at WOMAD, it would be, and it has to be with this artist. And reason being, I grew up performing to this artist's song at festivals, as a child coming up. I used to enter competition. It did really well too. And I happened to share the same stage with this artist. And what happened is that I was invited to perform an item with the artist. And it was just beautiful. And I'm speaking about none other than the legendary Calypso Rose. So much respect. That was 2010, and that was a beautiful moment. And it just has to be my chosen moment to perform with your icon on stage. So that was a beautiful one, and thanks to Calypso Rose for the invitation. So I'm going to play one called Israel by Beaux, and like I said, just enjoy.
By the wayside, looking as though you get lost. You can't get lost.
And that's the sound of the legendary Calypso Rose. Yeah, Israel by Beaux. And you know, when you enter a WOMAD festival, there's so many lovely stages, you know, from the open air stage to the Siam Tent Arena, Charlie Gillett, and you have, you know, well, I gotta say, my two favorite stage, really. Taste the world. You can't beat music and food. So much respect, Annie, Roger, the entire team. Much love and respect. One of my favorite stages to be. Great food, great acts, no doubt. And you can't beat my favorite all singing, all dancing stage. Love it, love it. Mandy, Gary, the entire team, everybody behind the scene. Much respect. And like I said, whichever stage you grace, you're bound to see some great acts. Big Red Tent, shout out to Ben, yes, Ellie, entire team, everybody who makes it happen. All the stage managers, behind the scenes, just everybody, you know. And as such, I'm going to dip a little bit, but still the same WOMAD theme and artists who's performed on the stages of WOMAD. That's what I'm playing today. And people think world music, when they say world music, they think like Africa, you know, India. But for me, and I'm sure, you know, the WOMAD team, you know, shares the same view, world means the globe. So whatever music comes from across the globe, that's world music. So it could be from China, it could be from Jamaica, it could be from America, you know, it could be from England, it could be from, you know, Poland, Ukraine, you name it. Put it together, it's a beautiful melting pot of music, sound frequencies, and that's the definition of world music. Beautiful sound frequencies coming together and creating a great vibration. And that's what I also tend to DJ, because I class myself as a world music DJ, meaning expect to hear anything. And as such, I'll introduce one of my favorite hip-hop group who's graced the WOMAD stage. I need to make no introduction. Enjoy.
It's upon the hour to come amongst you and amaze you with absolute, incredible, out-of-this-world type sounds. Look out, here we go.
Now let's get right on down to the skit. A baby is brought into a world of pits. And if it could have talked that soon in a delivery room, it would have asked the nurse for a hit. The reason for this, the mother is a jerk. Excuse me, junkie, which brought the work of the old into a new life. What a way. But this what a way has been a way of today. Anyway, push couldn't shove me to understand a path to a basic. Cause Schumer should have raced it in a first wave. Cause second wave from believers and believers will walk to it, then even talk to it and say, no, I can't have none of that. Tell them what to say, Mace. Time to get hip to this. Word to the mother, I'll tell the truth, so bear my witness. Blind like birds of a feather, drugs are like leather, you don't wanna wear it. No need to ask that question, just don't mention, you know what the answer is. Now I never fancy Nancy, but the statement she made held a plate of weight. I even stressed adjusted to wait.
Did he take any heat?
Nah, the boy was hooked. You could phrase the word bass. It just shook. In his fashion class, once a now and never. A rock rules him now. The only designs left were once clothes made for Oshkosh has converted to nothing but stonewash.
Now hopping in a barrel is a barrel of fun, but don't hop in if you wanna be down, son. Cause down to me, down and out is an action. What does it lead to? Dum da dum dum. People say, what have I done for all my years? My tears show my hard-earned work. I heard shoving is worse than pushing, but I'd rather know a shover than a pusher, cause a pusher's a jerk.
Believe it or not, the platforms are feed more than charity. But the cost doesn't coincide with the ride of insanity. Is it a chant that slant the soul to feel for it? I know it's the border that flaunts the order to kill for it.
Standing, scheming on a young one, thinking this time 8 balls for a cool player. Racked it all, tried to break Miss Q, got beat by the boy in blue. Next day you're out by the spot once more, looking hard for a crack in the hole. I asked what's the fix for the ill stuff. Word to the zero, the answer should have been no.
Run me a score from the funky 4 plus one more. Rewind that back. This is the age for a new stage of fiend. Watch how the zombies scream, it's the crack. Plain is plain, they should have slain it from the start. Behind the ideals of cranking up the heart. Now the bass claims shop over every part.
And that's the sound of the legendary De La Soul and Say No Go. Yes, and that's the what you call the Say No Dope remix. Yeah, man. So one of my favorite crew. Big up to De La. Yeah. And as I say, this is my WOMAD special. You know, this Tunes in a Talk is a WOMAD special, and I'm bringing you that energy. So what I'm gonna do at this point, I am just gonna start with a track. And then I'm just gonna play whatever track I feel to play. And I'm just gonna treat it as if I'm DJing and you are the audience, and I'm just working with that kind of energy. Just in the moment. So take off your dancing shoes, put your feet on the ground, naturally feel the earth, feel whatever you're standing on, connect. Yes, sometimes they say put on your dancing shoes, but I'm saying take off your dancing shoes. It's not a mistake, because all I'm saying in simple terms is stay connected, stay grounded. Yes, people. So right about now, I'm just going to do a non-stop mix and enjoy. And I hope YouTube and all the record labels just know this is not a monetary thing for me. So I would love for the tracks to be played as they are just helping to set the essence of a beautiful vibes. So without further ado, let's get into the mix. Sounds of Zap Mama, show me the way.
Time day, 2 friends come to my house, and this is what they say. Time day, they ask me to go out with them and find a place to play. Take a drive in my friend's car, we'll drive around and won't go far. Time day, drive around, we start to sing, we're having fun, we start to laugh together. Together, show me the way, show me the way, show me the way, I like this my way. Show me the way, I like this my way. The way we wanna go is where we have to go. Soon again, that day, time day, I'll laugh and jive. Time, no matter what we try. Day, so we love this place, we drive around, we start to sing, we having fun together, together. telling you, she had a ball. And then she let me sing the song, and I just started vibing, and I started grooving, and I started saying, show me the way, show me the way he wants to go is where I have to go. Show me the way, show me the way. I like this my way. Show me the way, I like this my way. Show me the way, I like this my way. Where we wanna go is where we have to go. Show me the way, show me the way.
Get it down, get it on with my peeps. Like try and take it to the streets, come on. Whole crew try and bubble like champagne. Get it amp, how we do in advance. No matter what situation we're facing, we party chasing with no destination. Making it pop in the whip to the radio, or curbside in the line at the disco. Get it in, yo, all action. Anyway we go, we're bound to get it cracking. It get like energy, stay matching. Energy plus 5, let's have it.
Show me the way, show me the way. I like this my way. Show me the way, I like this my way. Show me the way, I like this. The way we wanna go is where we have to go.
South, from the north, from the west to the east, not the same people. These people where I want to talk about, they go they pretend say they be your friends. Check out. You they eat with them, you they walk with them. You they eat with them, you they walk with them. You they do everything together. Check it out. Before I know, I did do my work. Hey. I see say that they Dakha for their hands. Dakha to stop me. Secret agent, you
See your life,
now here they call these people.
see your life,
Check it out. Secret agent, you
see your life,
now there be all of them.
see your life,
Secret agent, you
see your life,
now here they call them.
see your life,
call them.
as we enter the sounds of Dakha Braka. Enjoy this one. You're in tune to the Tunes and a Talk, your intercommunal sound service. It's a WOMAD weekend special for you. Yours truly, Soul's Liberation working out. Taking you across the globe with some beautiful sound frequencies. Enjoy, my people. Getting you in tune for this weekend, WOMAD 2020. Yes, and that's the sounds of Dakha Braka, and I have had the privilege to see them perform so many times, and one of my favorite and strongest acts of all time, definitely. As we said, people, it's just a WOMAD weekend special for you, and you can tune in online, www.womad.co.uk, from 10 a.m. Saturday the 25th right through until Sunday the 26th. And just want to say much respect to all the artists performing who have given their time just to make sure the festival continues. The world's festival, no doubt. And again, thanks to everyone involved behind the scenes, in particular. Yes, people like Paula, Jane, Janine, the whole present crew, the past crew, much love and respect. I know what you all have to deal with, and my respects to everybody behind the scenes, all the volunteers also, sound technicians, everybody, everybody. And we will continue to have our world of music, arts, and dance. Yes, so I look forward to next year and onwards and onwards and onwards. Yeah. So last week I asked a question. Yes, what is your purpose in life? Yeah. So what I'm going to ask you this week connects with last week's question. So this week's question to you, my people, is what is your contribution to society? Yeah. What is your contribution to society? That's my question to you this week. So, as I'm going to play my last track, I hope you all enjoy. You heard from some beautiful artists. Yep, and I'm just sharing some of my experiences with you, my WOMAD experiences. And feel free to share your experience if you have ever been to one of the festivals and you've got photos and videos. You can send them to, WOMAD itself, so they can maybe put them up and help share the legacy, the enjoyment other people have also experienced. So the world of music, arts, and dance, much respect, continue keeping on. And I am very glad and proud to be a part of such fraternity. We are shared my talents, my skill with the globe. And it's a pleasure. And I'm very grateful for that. And I'm very thankful to the universe for all it's put my way. And also thanks and much respect to all the artists I've met. Some of us we've still kept in touch, and it's built a unity, a circle amongst ourselves. And that's the great thing about WOMAD. It brings artists together, and there's a lot of relationship that has blossomed out of all of this. Artists ended up collaborating with other artists, just becoming great friends, and so many great things have happened. So it's a beauty. It's a beauty. And hope everyone is all right. And yes, just enjoy life. Keep on keeping on, people. And as I would say, and I will continue to say, peace, love, unity, and always, always take the time to be kind to each other. My final track to you is Dub Colossus and Azmari Dub. So just enjoy the vibes, people, and know that all is well. Bless up yourselves.
ተሻገር 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 ተከለል ተከለል በጎረሙ ተከለል ተከለል በጎረሙ ለኔ ነው ሀሳቡ መከራው ለኔ ነው ሀሳቡ መከራው ላ ላ ላ ላ la 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 ተሻገር 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 ተከለል ተከለል በጎራው ተከለል ተከለል በጎራው ለኔ ነው ሀሳቡ ላ ላ ላ ላ ላ ላ ላ ላ
la 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 la